Why is your cell phone like a U.S. Navy attack submarine? What does your laptop share with advanced satellites now orbiting the Earth? How is your car or truck connected to the world's most advanced jet fighters? The answer? All of these technologies rely on mission-critical metal alloys made by IBC Advanced Alloys. At IBC, we specialize in making high-performance alloys for some of the world's most demanding applications. Our engineers and skilled craftsmen convert raw materials into beryllium and copper alloy products through casting, forging, and final machining.
You know, when I first started looking at IBC just as an investment, and I looked at what their capabilities were, and I looked at the metals that they were using and alloying together, particularly the beryllium aspect of what we do, I thought, wow, this is so unique. I've never even heard of this before, and I had to look at it. So I got in and I did my due diligence, and I came away looking at both the copper side and the aluminum side and thinking, this is something special.
IBC is one of only 2 companies in the world that casts aerospace qualified beryllium aluminum products.
The aluminum beryllium side, which is really probably the most unique thing we have in IBC. As a matter of fact, only 2 companies in the world can do what we do at IBC. I like being in that small of a group, and I love to be able to shoot for being #1 in the industry.
Our Engineered Materials division produces these mission-critical alloys for advanced military systems like the F-35 jet, for satellite systems, for semiconductor chip manufacturing, and others. We produce these alloy products faster, more efficiently, and less expensively than our competition. As a result, we help taxpayers and the U.S. military save money. Our Copper Alloys division makes a variety of advanced copper alloy products. In fact, IBC is proud to operate one of the largest forge presses in the world committed solely to copper alloy production. We process 24 copper and copper alloy products. These include pure copper, aluminum bronzes, copper chrome silicon, beryllium coppers, and a variety of casting or master alloy products. Many of these are produced right in our own foundry in Franklin, Indiana. Beryllium copper alloy products are a specialty at IBC. We are the only company in the U.S. that both casts and forges beryllium copper materials. Our products deliver a powerful combination of strength, corrosion resistance, electrical and thermal conductivity, and machinability. At IBC, we also partner with customers throughout the design and engineering stages of a project. We can help you find the right material solution for your project or application. All of IBC's mission-critical alloy products are proudly made right here in the USA. Find out how IBC can help your company. Visit us at ibcadvancedalloys.com or call our helpful staff at 317-738-2558.